What's up? It's me and Max here. And we're going to be doing a Nerf War. So, see how this goes.
On Michael's head.
3, 2, 1. And we have 3 lives, so if we get hit 3 times. And if he hits me in the head, then I lose 2 lives. What are you? I dodged it. No, I dodged it.
I hit you in the head.
Hit you once, hit you twice.
No, you won't. You would kill a cripple. Would you? That's the real question there. Buddy boy.
I win.
God dang it.
Do you want to switch guns now?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, please. Miss.
Then you can't get any of the bullets.
What?
You already there's 3 bullets in there.
Oh, fine.
1. I'll use a crappy gun and still win against you, Max.
Oh yes.
Where'd you put it?
Oh, I don't know.
Max thinks this is crappy. Yeah, right. Let's beat him. Oh, we got Edward. Hey, what's up, Edward? I'm ready. I think I have enough shots. I have to cock it. And Max, I'm ready.
Okay. Here you go over there.
No, I'm here.
What? Oh yeah.
Bomb!
Okay. 3,
2, 1. Yes! Blocked! Blocked. Blocked. Dang it, hit me.
I have 1 shot.
Yes! Yes, he's out. I win.
No, that's not true. You never know what might happen. You never know. Like
No! 1, 2, 3. Gotcha.
God dang it.
I thought you said this gun was crappy.
I never said that.
Remember, you're like, this gun's crappy.
It's crappy, Michael. What are you saying? I'm saying it's bad. That gun's actually good though.
Yeah, but you said it was bad. Look, where did my other bullet go that I shot you? Oh, it's right here. Oh. Right. Max wanted to watch Sing. It's his favorite movie.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's the best movie.
We'll do one more video after this. Not one more video. One more game after this. Okay, I'm ready. Is your gun reloaded?
Yo.
3, 2, 1, fire. Ha. 3 shots.
You said 3 shots, but you didn't even take a shot.
Yes.
1.
Blocked it.
2.
No. Yes.
No, you didn't hit me.
Yes.
God. Oh my God.
I already won. Yes. That was a birth of. Oh! Max was winning 2-0. I come back and I won. And I still lost about like. Oh!
You are great, my friend.
Oh my god. Stupid balls. Okay. I just have to reload my gun and then we'll be good.
I don't even have any bullets.
I almost used all my bullets. Hey guys. I've done it my way. Regrets? No. I think I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. I barely have any bullets. Still gonna beat Max. Here we go. Into the battle. I'm over on that side. Or I'm on. Wait, what side am I on now? Wait, what side am I on, Max?
You're on that side.
Okay. Okay. 5, 4, 3.
Wait, no, I'll let you be on this side.
What? No, I want to be on this side. Wait, not yet.
Wait, no, I need one more. I did it.
See, he knows all the words. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Free shot. Blocked. 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 Yes. Damn it. Ah!
I can get a headshot and I win.
Oh.
Crap.
Yes, you're out.
Not out.
There you are.
Okay, you wouldn't kill a cripple. Stop, that's not how life works. Hey, can you just give me 5 extra sets?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your life's gone.
No.
Now it is.
No.
Oh, look at that. Look what my dart did. Wow, that was a good game.
Okay.
Last game. This head thing helps so well. They don't have to hold the GoPro. But it's super hot. Oh, the mouse is crying. Oh, 2 more darts. Max, want you to sing along? It's your favorite song.
Actually, Michael, I've heard recent news that your favorite movie is the My Little Pony movie.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not. Oh, shocking, because I've heard a lot of...
Max, sing!
I've
Sing!
heard a lot of things about...
Sing! Sing! You don't want to
Your
sing.
favorite movie is...
5, 4, 3.
No, I'm on this side. I am on this side. Okay.
Okay. I think I have my plan. I'm gonna throw this at him. Okay, ready, set, go. Go, Max.
Excellent throw. You wouldn't shoot triple.
Stay back. Stay back. This is our last game. Whoever wins this, well, I already won all my games. It's never gonna win. Spin move. Double spin. Triple spin.